Hey, well, welcome everyone. Today we are meeting again. My name is Abhishek. So today we are going to talk about Tableau again. Well, we did discuss about Tableau installation and the other fundamentals. We try to create some charts. We tried to do calculated field and table calculations. Today we are going to jump into, regarding dashboard creation. So today we are going to make, a bit part of the dashboard. And the deal is that I will be making 60% of the, the part of the dashboard, and then you can come back with the 40% rest. Well, I can make the complete one, but again, there are some practical tasks what I'm going to give you today, and how we will deal with this, so I can show you how we can what exactly things are required when you go and make a dashboard. So let's talk about it. Yeah, so let's talk about it. I'm sharing first of all PPT presentation with all of you, what things we really need when we talk about it. I mean to say, when we talk about dashboard creation, so yeah, interactive element should be there so it can look really nice. I mean, designing effective dashboard is really important when we talk about, so balance visual appeal and functionality, which is the important part when you make a dashboard. Effective dashboards combine attractive design and practical use to enhance the user experience. When you're putting some slicer over there, it will make more interactive your dashboard, and people whomsoever is looking to this dashboard, they can understand the data visualization in easy way, in easy manner. And accessibility of key insight dashboard should make critical data easy to find out and understand at a glance. And that's why we should keep in mind that we should design an effective dashboard. When I move further, adding interactivity filters and actions, I mean to say, when filters allows users to dynamically narrow and down data to focus on relevant information. Actions enable users to modify views or trigger events for tailored data insights. So let's move further. Let's talk about it. I mean, best practice for dashboard layouts that I can tell you: logical organization. I mean to say, arrange dashboard elements in a clear and intuitive order to enhance user understanding and flow. When we talk about consistent design elements, use in uniform colors, fonts, and styles throughout the dashboard to maintain visual coherence. When we talk about responsive optimization, ensure the dashboard adapts seamlessly to different screen sizes and devices to accessibility. So let's jump into this. Before we move further and do the forecasting thing, let's talk about the dashboard creation. That's what we are going to do today. Just give me one sec so that I can start the page where we can start the Tableau thing. Yeah, so again, we are here to discuss more about the dashboard creation, and that's what we are going to do. All right, so just give me one sec. And how to deal with all of this, that's we are going to talk about. So now you can see the screen has been shared of the Tableau. We are going to talk about how to connect the data set, how to do the logical things, and you know what, that how to build a dashboard dynamically, like attractive one, how to insert the slicer and many more. So I'm going to create a simple dashboard in front of you. For that, first of all, we will go to Excel. We will find out the relevant data. Let's say HR data. I'm connecting over here, and it will show me the information. Now I'm moving that sheet over here. Now look at this coming in front of you. I don't need any other sheet to discuss. Yeah, so let's go to sheet one. What we are going to do, so I cannot see any attrition count column over here. We can see that employee count is there. We need to get the attrition count first. The calculated field, I told you about this. Okay, so what we are going to do, we will go to analysis first and then create calculated field. There I will create a column by the name of attrition count. Okay. Sorry, my bad. And we will just provide a function over there. If attrition equals to, let's say, yes, yeah, then 1, else we are going to put there 0 and then n. That's it. We are going further, apply and okay. Now what else we need? That's why I did open an image in front of you, ladies and gentlemen. So this is a preview of a dashboard, that what we are going to do now, how we are going to make it. And there are many more elements. What you can see, this is half of the part, but you will be making it. So I can make this section. This section is called KPI cards. KPI cards means key performance indicator cards, and then we have attrition by gender. I mean, it's a lollipop chart. Then we have a pie chart, we have a bar chart, we have a histogram chart, then we have like tree map, we can say, text tables, and then we have the pie, and we can call it a donut chart along with multiple information. So I will be making first of all the upper part, let's say active employee, attrition count, employee count. So first I'll get the active employee. How to get the active employee? That's very simple. We have a total employee count, we have attrition count, so we have to minus the attrition count from the employee count. Yeah, so I'll go there, active, we are just typing active employee. Okay, active employee. So first you will go with the employee count minus attrition count. Simple. Yeah. So we'll get the active employee people number. Yeah. So first, what we're gonna do? First, we will take the attrition count. Do double click there. Yeah. So you can see that it is coming like this, and then I go for this as well. I'm an active employee, but when I see like this, it's really not a good deal because it is coming in this way. So active employee I'm putting to the label. Now it is coming in this manner. I want it in this look. So we will go here right inside, then text table we have to pick, but it is coming like this. So we will swap the thing. Now it is coming in column. First of all, column 1, column 2, column 3, and let's see, we need a fresh employee count here. So I'll take my total employee count. When I'll put this, all things will be in integer then. I mean the whole number. It's not giving me any decimal number anymore. And what all thing we have? Then we have attrition rate, and then average age of the people who left my company. First of all, I don't need this, so I'll hide that. Then we are going for, let's say, just give me a sec. Yeah, so we are back again, and then we are talking about the attrition rate and how to get. So obviously we will divide attrition count out of the employee count. So how to do that? Again, we will go there and analysis, create calculated field. Now I will give it the name attrition rate. So I'll do that. How to do this? I mean, first I will go there, some of the attrition count, yeah, slash sum of the that employee count. Yeah, I'll keep that. I'll just click on apply and okay. And how to get this? Oh, so it will show me 0. First of all, we will shift it here the way it was. Like this, attrition rate 16.12. How we'll get that? So when we get this, just click and go to format. You can go to format from here too. It will show you number like this. What you have to do, you will have to select the percentage, and then there we go. We have 16.12%. That is attrition rate from my company, for an example. And we need one more column, and that is age. So I'll take the age, yeah, like this, and I'll go there directly and convert it into average. That's very simple. That's very simple and sorted. Now the customization part we will do like after a while. Right now what we can do, we can just keep it like this. Yeah, we can give it a name that, let's say I'm giving a name that is called KPI cards, or just KPI. Yeah, so I'm going to create a new one. What chart I'm going to make now? So we'll see that. Okay, let's make the pie chart. As of now it's a bit simple, and then we'll jump into we can say the attrition by gender. That will be easy and like tricky both. So I'm moving further. I'm creating another chart that is called department wise attrition. So I will be taking that. How? First, for that we need the department, so I'm taking department. Then we need the attrition count, so I took the attrition count. Yeah, and I just went there, I created a pie chart. Now first of all, let me give a name to this, attrition, let's say by gender. So if you change it here, it will be changed there too. So it's just to give it a size, let's say 11, make it bold, Tableau semi bold. Just keep it one font, make it in center, apply, and okay. Thing is sorted. Now we need the attrition. So first of all, we need the department, but before that, set it to the entire view. Yeah, if you want, you can increase size a little bit, but anyhow we have to reduce the size as per the chart shape. And then what we're gonna do, so we will take department to the label, so we can see that label. If you want to make it bit bold, you can make it bit bold, or let's say you can give a size of 10. Yeah, and then what, we will take the attrition count. Attrition count again to the label, but what we see that it's in percentage right now, so we will just have to go there. Yep. And then what? We can convert it into quick table calculation percent of total. Now we can get the same figure 5.06%, 38.82, 56.12. And that's it. Yeah. So as I told you, this was very simple to make. And trust me, it is really very simple to make. So before moving to the dashboard, you can hide these information so it will not be visible on your dashboard anymore. Or if it is, then you can just close it. So we will talk about it. Okay, so what else we can do? What else we can do? So make it attractive. I can go to the third one. Let's make the lollipop chart. But before that, let me show you that how we can take this. But we can make it, at the end. So right now, what we are going to do, we are taking the gender. So I took the gender. This is coming in row. Let me give a name to it. So I give a name to it. Let's say, oh, my bad. My bad. Well, this name should be there. Attrition by department. I'm so sorry. That's my bad. Attrition by department. So we are human. We make mistake, and I'm keeping it in recording so that we can see that when we get some mistake, when we make some mistake, how quickly we can realize and we can fix it. All right, so now we are making for the gender. So gender wise department or attrition by gender. That's up to you what column name you would like to give. Attrition by gender. How to do this? So I took the gender. I automatically, it will show you to here and then center. Let's say 11 bold or just say Tableau semi bold. Apply and okay. Sorted. Now we need the attrition count there. Where? There. First of all, set it to the full screen. Yep. Okay, what else we can do? So just make another copy of the attrition count. Either you can take it from here or press Control, take it from here itself. So there will be two charts. Basically, there are two charts. One is chart 1, chart 2. So can you see that small tiny line that shows a bar chart? But it's set on the automatic. So I'm selecting it manually. Then I'm going for this and I'm setting it to the, let's say, circle. That's a tiny and very sweet dot over there on my screen. What I'm going to do, so in that case, first I will go to the first one and I decrease the size of the bar. What? Decrease the size of the bar. Going to the circle one, increasing size of the circle. These are same data but in a different shape. That's what I would love to say. I'll not do much experiment on this, but yes, I'm just showing you how it works. Now I'm going to the second one, clicking over there and dual axis because it will be merged with each other. Okay. With second thing, what we can do, we can put gender on color so that we can get two different separate color. Well, we can change the color options. We can go to edit color. We can go to traffic light or something. So male will be, let's say, so that's up to you. Choice is yours. What color you would like to give. For now, I just want to keep the female, or with female can be in a different color too. So let's say I'm giving any other color to the female. Let's say this one. Yeah. I have two different color, by the way. So that's up to you. If you want to keep a contrast color or something, you can go back, go to the edit color. And if you think that female color should be different one, you can choose any part of it. You can actually choose any part of it. Yeah. So for an example, I'm keeping dark color like this. So you can keep dark color like this. It looks really nice. What we can do then, move attrition count to the second one, attrition count to the label. So it will show you that figure. Well, what you can do, you can shift it in the center, make it a little bit bold. Yeah. So you will be able to see that figure. Let's say like this. Perfect. Well, we have to do many more customization over there. Removing the axis and removing that line and everything. So we will talk after a while. Right now, the lollipop chart is ready. And then I am going for another chart that is called job satisfaction rating. So I'll give a name to this. Job satisfaction rating. Okay, ladies and gentlemen. So we'll get the column name there. Yeah. Enter. and then again 10, the Tableau semi-bold, because I am a bit professional over here to make something in a professional way. So we will go for first of all job role. So all the job roles are there. Everything is here too. Then we need job satisfaction rating. And for that, what we are going to do, we need to find that, okay, we got this. If I do double click, I'll get the figure like this. And obviously what else we have in this, we can just go there and unaggregate this. So it is coming rating like 1, 2, 3, 4. There are 4 ratings. That's what we can see. But how we can get all of this like this? In that case, what we have to do, move the same job satisfaction rating to the dimensional area, which means we are converting a column data into string, so integer into a string. So it's not moving. Okay, I'll do it again. Job satisfaction rating, I'm just leaving there. Now, if I do double click on it, you can see 1, 2, 3, 4 as a string or as a column name it's coming. So first of all, let me change it into count. Count. Yep. So now it's coming as the correct number, 26 and everything. But I will have to give a new look to this like this. Well, I will have to swap it again. Now, this is the same way I was looking for it, and a few more things what I'm going to perform. First of all, I will have to show entire text to you guys. Okay, this is not enough. I can convert the the color into different ones. So basically this section is color bar kind of. So the lowest number, very light, the same light number is coming with the very lowest rating of the job satisfaction, where we can see the dark color that is coming with a good rating. So we can see sales executive, the maximum people, I mean 112 people, they give the 4-star. And that's what you can see with the different color. You can go there, you can choose any multicolor. Let's say I want to keep this. Will it really look nice? So that's up to you. So you can check it one by one how it will look like, and then you can perform the thing. That's totally up to you. You can make your customized one. You can make you can keep like this is a bit attractive. It looks really nice. So I would love to keep this one. I especially like red and green color things. So I'm moving there. Okay, so we got this. We got this. Thing is ready. Let's say I want to make a dashboard now. So later on, you can definitely move, you can create a bar chart, education field wise, what you have to take. The education field wide, if you want to make, let's create one more. Yeah. So for that, we need education field. I took it. What else we need? Field wise attrition. So obviously we need the attrition count. Thing is ready in front of you, but they have set it to the ascending or descending order. So we're going to do the same thing. We will set it like that. Okay, now the same education field they have moved. First of all, they shifted the attrition count to the label so that we can see that figure, and we can make it bit bold. So I'll make it bit bold. Then the same education field moved to the color. Now the same chart, what you see over there, this is over here too. I'll just reduce the size of the bar a little bit so we can see. If you want, you can make again, the same lollipop chart. You can just, you just need to move there and make a lollipop chart one more time. But I'm not doing it. This is just a bar chart or something. I can give a name to this. So the name was education field wise attraction. So we will make a short name there. Education field. Or let's make edu field wise attrition. Yep, education field wise attrition. There you can give a complete name. Let's say education field yep, and I'm correct over here. So I'll keep the same 10 size, Tableau semi-bold, and make it in center, apply, and okay. Now, what else we are left with? So either you can click on this middle section, or you can go to their dashboard, and then you can click on new dashboard. Once you click on it, it will show you a preview like this. What you can do then, all the created chart, it will show you here. First of all, you will have to go to the size. First, select the fixed size, then select the floating. Why? But first of all, let me just give a size to this. So let's say I'm just keeping a PowerPoint kind of size. I do have to reduce or increase. Let's say I'm keeping here 690. So it totally depends. that what screen size you have, right? So if you have a bigger size of the screen, a wide screen, that will really look nice. If not, then it's up to you that what size you're keeping. But it should really look nice. That's what I want to say here. Okay, so I'll make 1630 a custom size, what I want to keep, and then I want to create another size. Let's say, yeah, 700 is really high. Okay, so that's enough for now. I just can keep it. If I keep 40 over here, then what will look? Oh, it's really nice. So 1640, then 790. Okay, what I'm doing now, like we can just go to the dashboard. We can go to the format area. What else we can do? We can change the color if we want. But on green color, it will really not look nice. So what we can do? We can make it none. Then what we're gonna do? We'll talk more about it, but before that, first of all, I just need to mention this background, this particular background, what we see here. I mean to say, the HR Analytics background. So I have that with me. I have already downloaded. From where you can get it, I'll let you know. So what we do now, we have multiple objects here. Okay, so we need to find an image. Oh, we got this. We'll shift here. First of all, as I told you, do not keep this on tile mode. Yeah, otherwise it will be a problem, because when you move a chart like this or this, it will try to find out the space by itself. So what you can do, select the float first, floating, and then definitely you can move it the way you can do it. And then let's say I am providing by default space, either this one or sorry for my throat. And then we can go for, let's keep this one as of now. So I'll just keep it, center image, apply, and okay. You can see that. So I'll just go to this location, move it from here to this area. You saw that, right? And then what? I mean, this image looking really nice. We can see this on the entire screen. If you want, you can just press F7 and you can go back. Now one by one. So first of all, we are going to create HR Analytics dashboard here. So I'm moving my text table and I'm just typing there HR Analytics dashboard. Just keep it in yellow color, or let's say whatever color can be highlighted over here. So that color, all right. So just keep the Tableau bold. I mean, this one is Tableau bold, obviously. And then increase the size, let's say 22. Will that be enough? Or 24? I guess that one is good. Move this thing here and center. It will really look nice. And if you want to add, if you want to take a credit, whatever you made, so you can put your name at the end, the way I did for HR Analytics dashboard. So that will really look nice. I mean, people can see whatever you did. But as of now, I can see this really looks nice. If you want to make it more attractive, if you want to give any other font, choice is yours. Right now I'm moving the KPI card, so I'll shift it, and the benefit what I'm getting of the border, and that's why I'm keeping it in center. So first of all, I'll remove that area as I told you. Then we are moving like this. Yeah. Now I'll go here, set it to the entire view so that it can be shifted in that place. But now what? I will have to do the customization part. So I'll go to the format. First of all, I'll go to the shading. So these are alignments, font and border and line and everything. So first of all, I'll make it a bit bold. Or before making it, let's remove the background. So go to the worksheet, remove the background. Now go to the font, set it to the, let's say 12, I guess so. First of all, give a yellow color to this, the upper one, make it a bit bold. Yeah. But when you go to the pane, convert it into white color. So this section will be converted into white color. The upper one can be into, let's say, 14 size. Yeah. But you can go to the pane and you can set it to the 12. So that thing will not change. And second thing, when you go to alignment, just set it in the center. It will really look nice. What about the line then? It is row line. It's not column line. So we can go to the row. We can make it none. 0 line. Just, or if you're not able to convert it from there, then go to the border, go to the row, then row divider. Just make it none. No line there anymore. No. line there anymore. It is really looking nice. But that's up to you. As I told you, that's up to you, that if you want to make it in a stylish way, so you can choose another font style or something. So for an example, I'm picking this, I'm going there, I want to give maybe another kind of a style, so I can go to the font, I can choose that font style. That's really not bad. I mean, either I can just keep semi bold, or let's say I'm just keeping like this. So that's up to you. It can really look nice. It's really not bad. But again, it's all about, attrition count. People left my company or I terminated them. So I don't think that we should make it more, what we call it, fancy. But yeah, we can keep this font. All right. So it is looking bit okay now. Okay. So we got this active employee, attrition count, employee count, attrition rate, and average age. We should move the next, attrition by department. So I guess I can move it first. I don't need more customization here. And I can just go here like this, this, and this. That's it. What else? As I told you that it will come always. So just close it. Now convert this. So not delete. I mean, you just give it a yellow color so that it can be visible. So all the text will be in yellow, and it will be visible. Do right thing, format. Then we can go to the shading, make it none. To convert your text into white color, because everything is already yellow over there. And your other chart is also ready. When we talk about the lollipop chart, this can take time. Why? I moved it over here. But again, do you know what? It will really take time. Just do right click, edit title, convert it into yellow color, set it to the 8 size, apply. Okay, that thing has been okay. But now what? Do right click, go to the format, go to the shading, remove the background, convert other text into white color. Why? Because everything will be visible then. Okay, I converted it. Now what? We have to remove everything. I mean, I'm talking about these lines. For that, you first go here, remove everything. I mean, first remove the column, then remove the entire sheet things. So what we're going to do, first we go here, first go to the row, first row divider, that is none, then column, then go to column divider, make it none. So no line is there anymore. But if we see any other line, what we do, we just go there, make everything 0. I mean, I just go there, make 0 line. So no line will be there anymore. But first of all, we will have to set the alignment. So make it left. I mean, I'm talking about this part. Yeah. So we'll go to the alignment, make that thing left. Oh, sorted. Now we don't need these X's. So we will just click on show header to uncheck this. That's not there anymore. Now we have just this thing. How to shift all of this? So we just go to gender. Let's say, so first we will go and increase the size little bit of this. And then we just go, let's decrease the size of this. Look at that. Oh, that's really not looking good. So in that case, first decrease more, then increase little bit this. Yeah. It should look good here, not there. Then I can rotate it. Well, I can shift it there. Will it really look good? That we will talk. It's really not looking good. In that case, what we're going to do, first of all, shift it like this. So now I can realize that I have to decrease the circle size a little bit. Will it really look good now? Okay. So we have to increase the size of the bar a little bit. There it will not be visible, but now if we see over there, so we can go to the job in this area, we can go to the label, and then we can choose the size for this thing, what we call it, 8. And I think that will be enough for, okay, we can see that figure easily. Lollipop chart has been shifted. You can set it to the full screen and thing is ready in front of you. Then what left? There's one more chart left for me for now, because what was the deal? The deal is that once I will be making it, the other charts definitely you can see, and we will share the YouTube link over there, so you can make a dashboard easily, and that thing will be provided. Okay, so yeah, or we can say that we can make it into 2 different parts. Yeah. So right now I'm just moving job satisfaction rating over there. So job satisfaction rating, that thing can be done easily. Yeah, we can shift it like that. Okay, first of all, remove this part. Second thing, edit this part. Yeah, convert it into yellow color. Center already. Okay, now set it to the entire view. Now do right click again, go to the formatting, so it can really take time. Go to the shading, none. Go to the alphabets, make it white, and that's it. And then we have to remove this boundary thing. So go to the row divider, make it none. That's it. Your job is done. Now, if you see it on the full screen, look at this. Look at this. This is really beautiful from my end. I mean, that's up to you how you would like to make. I mean, you want to reduce the size a little bit and then, you want to go a little bit up so that you can give margin a little bit. So that's totally your call, how you would like to show to other one. And similarly, we can shift, multiple charts. So there is one more chart, what I can see, education field wise. So keep it here. Yeah. Just close this one. Okay. Then just go to the corner, shift it there. Yeah, but how you will deal with this then? Okay, so first of all, we will edit this and title, and then I will convert it into yellow color, apply, and okay. Now you just remove this watch. So we can see that we have education field in this alignment, so human resource and everything. So obviously we have to go in that way. First of all, we have to remove other things. So we will remove this part, show header is not there anymore. Do right click, go to the format, remove the background, make it none, and remove the line things. So column line will not be there anymore. And we go to the row as well, the no row, and then we go to the font, we select the white color for all of them. That's it. But we still can see one line, so that's our choice if you want to see that line. Okay, otherwise go to the border, go to the column divider, sorry. So it's already nothing over there. So in that case, just go here, make 0 lines, and no line will be there. But still, if there is any line, so that's up to you. That if you like, we have to check one by one, then only we can fix it. Yeah. If we create everything none, then only that thing will be removed. And if you are confused that which line is this, then make everything as none, and nothing will be there for you. So if you go to the sheet, I don't think that it is line of what. Let's go to the border. This is already none. We are a bit confused here. So let's see. Not a single line is there, by the way, according to this. According to this, there is not a single line. But if you go to the line, might be possible that we have, oh, this was related to axis rulers. So we can see this figure too. Now we are left with histogram. So if I want to convert it, let's say I want to create one more chart over here. So for that, I'll just create one more sheet. For that, what we are seeing, attrition by age. And attrition by age, we need the age column here, and then age column there too, and then just go there, convert it into historic chart. Now see, first it will be the categorical one, and second will be the count. So I just go to discrete. That histogram chart is in front of you. You go and change the color. Let's say I'm moving the attrition by age, right? So that attrition count, if I just move here, it will get converted into like this. And then we can go to the edit color. Then you can choose the same color the way it was over there. So look at this, or look at this, whatever color can be look really nice. So it was this, and we can see that figure here. Yeah, we can see that figure here. We can see that attrition count on the label too, and then we are done, obviously. So if we move the attrition count to the label, we can see the same figure, but these are not the same figure because it is showing you like a sum. So we can go there and convert it into count, and then we have the count in front of you. So we will check more with you, because maybe this is the updated data as per the thing. And yeah, so that's it. And then after that, you can shift the thing. So right now I'm not moving it, As I told you that I will be making 60 or 70% of the dashboard, and then rest of the part you guys can make it, or we can complete it in the next part. Let's say that if I show you the other things, what I'm doing and how I'm doing, we can make another part of it. So for now, I'm just keeping it with you. I will be sharing the file for this, so you can take it. I will be sharing the other link so that you can take it from there too, for YouTube link, and then you can make it. For now, let's wrap it up here, and we will be making more. So yes, we will be making more. So as I can tell you that that's not enough. I mean, it's half an hour video, and we will talk more about this dashboard. Or if you can make it, if you can complete it, that will be great experience for me. I will be more than happy to see your work if you come with the completion of this dashboard. Might be possible that in next class we will be talking about the forecasting, and then we will talk about the storyboard. Till that time, bye bye, and take care to all of you. I would say have a nice evening. If the evening is there, have a nice day. If day is there, and have a nice morning. Bye bye, and take care from my end. Thank you.